In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the page height in your document. Whether you're customizing a report, creating a brochure, or simply fine-tuning your project, managing the document's layout is a crucial skill that can really elevate the presentation of your work. We'll walk you through these steps so you'll feel confident making those adjustments with ease. First, you'll want to hover over either the page or the footer of your document, positioned right at the bottom. This step is essential because it prompts your document editor to reveal the hidden tools that you'll need to customize your page height. It's like finding that secret lever that allows you to unlock greater flexibility within your layout. Once you have your document editor ready to go, you're going to notice an icon that looks like a double-ended arrow. This is your Adjust Page Height icon. By clicking and dragging this icon, you can modify your page to the desired length. It offers an intuitive, tactile way to resize your document, giving you the same satisfaction as pulling a piece of fabric until it's the perfect fit. The key here is to drag the icon up or down, depending on whether you want to reduce or increase the page length. Take your time here. Gentle movements will allow for the most precision. Now, if you're dealing with excess space on your page and you want to tidy things up, you can simply double-click the handle. And like magic, it will snap to the last element of content on your page. This feature is a game changer because it removes guesswork and keeps your document looking clean and professional. It's like decluttering a room by snapping your fingers. You get instant gratification with minimal effort. For those of you working with headers and footers, you might be curious about where to find your adjustment handle. You'll find it located right at the top of the footer. This placement ensures that header and footer space is balanced with your overall page content, allowing everything to look cohesive and intentional. It's a small detail, but it can make a world of difference in how your final product is perceived. However, if you find yourself working with a page that has no header and footer, don't worry, your adjustment handle will be right at the bottom of the page itself. This slight variation ensures that no matter what type of document you're working with, there's a straightforward method for you to perfect your layout. By following these steps, you'll be able to customize your document's page height efficiently and effectively. This skill not only enhances the appearance of your work, but also contributes to easier readability and a more professional presentation. Until next time, happy editing.